Greetings, my name is Muhammad Bilal. I'm fresh graduate bachelor degree of mechanical engineering from Diponegoro University. When I was being a student at the university, I'm active in many research organizations, which one in UBM RC, or it will be called Undip Biomechanics Engineering and Research Center. At this team or at this research center, I take and finish my final project with the title Preliminary Study for Reconstruction and Contact Mechanics Analysis in Lumbar Spine using finite element methods. The research of the biomechanics engineering, which is in the lumbar spine, is still rarely done in Indonesia. So I take this being of the preliminary study. First of all, we take the data from hospital in Semarang. The data was given by CT scan data, two dimension, and after we get the data, we reconstruction it with the computer modeling. The data was reconstruction by mimics application from 2D to 3D geometry. And after we get the data 3D geometry, we using the computer modeling and computer analysis using ANSYS to analysis contact mechanics in lumbar spine, which is we got the many data like deformation and stress furnaces. The data is the being of the preliminary study for the next research will happen because in Indonesia is still rarely done, and we hope my final project is being a preliminary study or the first research in UBMRC, especially of course it being the first at Indonesia. I have interned in many company. First of all, I have interned in PT Inka Multisolusi, being of the quality control engineer internship. I got knowledge about the process of the blasting, painting, and coating inspection. After I get the many knowledge, of course, I give some suggestion to optimizing the painting and coating process. The painting and coating process will help and take by humans, or it will be called by operator. And PT Income Multisolusi must create some booklet or table to operator and engineers for the maintenance about the content of the books is the timeline and what will be operator did for the maintenance for the tools, because if we take the booklet or we create the booklet, it helps the operator and engineer to decrease the percentage of the human error. After that, I have participate and also being of a rotary ram engineer at PT Pertamina Hulu Rokan. I take assist the field technician in inspecting rotary equipment at water unit disposal for the pump preventive maintenance. I take the evaluated performance of the water disposal reciprocating pump to maintain the unused product distribution process. After that, not only in intern at many company, I have participate at social organization in HMM Undip. I got the opportunity being of head of workshop, and it's an honor for me. I can increase my soft skill in management team and lead some project. I'm a fast learner person and I'm adaptive, easygoing, and creative and also reliable. But also, I have division like a perfectionist, easy to get distraction, and sometimes I can being of a people pleaser. After I finish my study, I come back and live with my parents at Jakarta. And my father is a lecturer in private university, and my mother being of the housewife. I have two brothers, and my first brother was live in Balikpapan, and he worked at the Ministry of Education. And my second brother is live in Jakarta, and his work at the shipping company. So I have high interest in many field of the engineers, which is in being of the project engineer, quality control engineer, and being of the mechanical engineers. I think I have some reason why I want or I have high interest at the being of the project engineers. Being a project engineer, I have lead the research management of technology, being of technical team manager, and I implemented our skills in engineering to maintain the schedule time, create the schedule time activity plan to build the Ponorogo 2.0 solar booth. For mechanical, I have basic and amateur for the design engineer using SolidWorks, and I have skills in finite element analysis or stress analysis in cradle construction for solar booth Diponegoro 2.0 and also in for solar booth Diponegoro 1.0. And it interests for me. I can implement my hard skill in engineer and combination with the soft skill in leadership, also in a communication and build the team grow and work together. And after that, before I being of the technical manager, I ever being of mechanical engineer, I take the responsibility to build the composite material and know about the how to material test and create the cradle, and I design it and analyze it using the ANSYS. And after that, in quality control engineer, I ever intern in PT Inka Multisolusi, being of quality control engineer, and take DWT in many parts of the component of train, or it will be called bogie system. And I think it is motivate me to implement and increase the engineering skills, and also in soft skill like in a communication leadership and collaborate to many engineers. I think it is motivate me. I want being of engineer is my motivation and my dream since I was kids, and this I think I want to be a specialist in some or many engineering, and especially in mechanical engineering. This program of the special trainee was held by Wilmar is will be develop my skills and have a same motivation and my goals in being of the specialist and the professional engineer. So I want to contribute, and I really interest to participate in the special training to learn and get more knowledge and relation in Wilmar. And also I want to implement our experience and develop it with Wilmar. I think for my motivation in works is I want to collaborate, explore, and also I want to learn and engineering, especially being of the special in some related mechanical engineering. And after that, I want to implement, learn, and got the many knowledge and relation for my company. And also I want to contribute my expert and implemented my experience and develop it in a company. Wilmar is the biggest oleochemical company, and I think in Wilmar, I will get the opportunity, I like knowledge, relation, and I think for my experience, it's related in Wilmar, and I can implement it and contribute to Wilmar, and also I get the point plus, like I will get more knowledge, relation, and anything like that. So it will be for me. I will get impact for Wilmar, and Wilmar will get impact for me too.